Now class third C. Class third C and subject GSC. Date is 21st 10 2020 and we are studying the lesson fifth, the human body. Lesson fifth, the human body. The human body. Revision. The human body revision. So we studied about the skeletal system and the muscular system last time, and also studied about the digestive system. So I asked you for the drawing diagram. Make the diagram of the digestive system, that is given on page number 30. And also told about the digestive system, that is consists of the alimentary canal and digestive glands, and the food is taken into mouth and with the help of the teeth and tongue, it is the broken down into the small pieces and mixed with the saliva released by the salivary gland, and it enters into the stomach by the food pipe. And here also digestion takes place, and from here, from the stomach, food enters into the small intestine, where digestion is completed and the useful substances are absorbed by the walls of the small intestine, and undigested part is sent to the large intestine and ultimately into the rectum, and from the rectum via anus it is the um, discharged from the body. And digestive glands, I told you, that is the pancreas, and one more is there, liver. Both help in the digestion. We have studied up to here. Now today we are studying about the respiratory system. Respiratory system. Respiratory system or breathing system. Respiratory system or breathing system. So respiratory system, we take in air through our nose. The air we breathe in reaches the lungs through the windpipe. Each day we breathe about 20,000 times. The air we breathe in is called inhaled air. We called inhaled air. The air we breathe in is called inhaled air, and the air we breathe out is called exhaled air. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The process of taking air in and out is called breathing system. The process of taking air in and out is called breathing system. So next one is the system is the nervous system. Next system, once again we are reading nervous system. nervous system. The nervous system is made up of brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. The brain is the most important organ of the nervous system. Nervous system tells every other part of the body once again we are reading once again. The nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. The brain is the most important organ of the nervous system. Brain is the most important part of the nervous system. Brain tells every other part of the body what to do all the time. It controls what you think and feel, how you learn and remember, and the way you move your body. The brain is like a busy control room. The brain is like a busy control room. It receives and sends out messages through nerves to the rest of the body. The spinal cord connects all body parts to the brain. The nerves are spread through the body. When we touch something hot with our hand, it pulls back immediately. The nerves in our skin tells the brain that we have touched something hot. The brain understands and immediately sends back the messages to pull the hand away. The message reaches the nerves and we pull the hand away. In case we are in danger or hurt, ourselves, the nervous system react very quickly. So, in the case of the nervous system, if you study nervous system, this is suppose this on the brain. This is a brain, and from the brain, one thread-like structures coming out, one big rope-like structure coming out, and this is called the spinal cord. This structure is called the spinal cord. This is spinal cord. This structure is the spinal cord. And from the spinal cord, so many nerves arising. This structure is called the spinal cord. And from the spinal cord, so many nerves arises and reach into the different part of the body. These are the nerves reach to the leg region. So these are nerves. So these are nerves. This is the brain. This is brain, and this is the spinal cord. And from the spinal cord, nerves rises. These nerves reach into our hand, into our stomach region. This spinal cord is found inside our the backbone. It is found inside our the backbone, and brain is found inside the skull. It is found inside the skull, and this is very delicate part of our the body. So this is brain, and the spinal cord remains inside the spinal cord, and this comes out and reach to the different part of our body, just like in the stomach region, inside our hands, inside our the legs. So they bring the messages to the brain, and also bring the messages from the brain to different part of the body. So that's all.